This is part of Sitka. We're going there
There's a live crab.
to visit. And look at that. The live crab company. Nice. This is Sitka. We're at Sitka. We're going there at 9:30 till 3:30. Nice. Quiet.
Oh, nandito kami sa Sitka Port. Ito, nag-tack na yung ship namin. Going to Sitka.
We are at Sitka.
We're at Sitka.
Alright, welcome to downtown Sitka. Once again, there's our seat. This is our bus, number 4. I'm still coughing. It's not ready. There's the bridge. That's pretty cool. Hi. Say hi. Big hot. In there. We're gonna go to Seafood City now.
You're gonna sell it. Oh, look at that salmon. Oh, my God.
Are you gonna make sashimi?
Make a sashimi, yeah. Can I come?
Sure. Are you coming down to San Diego? So check out how long this line is to take us all back onto the ship. It's really long. There's Mom. We just had lunch at some hotel. I found a matryoshka doll I really wanted, or a set of nesting eggs that I wanted. It was $89 for 3 pieces that were about like this big. They were Cinderella painted. They were cute. By the way, right before we leave, this is Sitka's brand new visitor center. And it's so new that it still smells like Home Depot. This is the weather we're having today. It's really sunny right now. And it looks like that. And yeah, we just came in.
Going to the next one. The next one said, it's your time, it's your time.
It's really, really, really hot. You step outside. I passed out in the bus. It's hot. It's hot. Today is the day I'm finally going to go ziplining. I'm a little nervous and hesitant to do so because it involves hiking, and I really hate hiking. By the way, welcome to the Lido deck as I make my way to the other side, which is that way. That's a lake house. More. I don't have any video of this whatsoever. This is where I just came off of. This is the second to last one, and I am going on the last one next. So, all in all, really fun, not scary. I would do it again, definitely, and you guys should too. Okay, so just finished that one, and we are heading down now. I don't know what time it is, but we're supposed to be back on the ship by 12:15 p.m. because we will be leaving shortly thereafter. Yeah, I really wish we had more time to stay here in Ketchikan, but we don't. We gotta get back and probably get lunch.